Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakan Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about inner classes in Java. First of all, inner classes. Inner classes means a class that declared in the other class. It means there are two classes or more classes. One is outer class which is public, and the other classes are declared inside the outer class. It is called inner classes. If we use inner classes in one place, then there will be more readable or maintainable code. It means the code optimization will be better. It means it cannot require much more code to write. The code will be well optimized and well programmed. Now, inner class concept first introduced in Java 1.1 version to fix the GUI bugs. To fix GUI bugs, it introduced in Java 1.1 version, but because of the features and benefits of inner classes, slowly programmer decided and programmer is started using in the daily code or regular code basis without existing one type of object. If there is no chance of existing another type of object, then it should go for the inner classes. For example, if you take an example, university consists of several department. Without existing university, there will be no chance of department, so the class department will be inside the class university. For example, if there is outer class university, and in this outer class there is class department class. Now, types of inner classes, there are two types of classes. One is static and another is non-static. Non-static, also called as inner classes. In non-static, there are again three types. One is member inner class, another is anonymous inner class, and again third one is local inner class. Now we will go through the one by one. First one is member inner class. This class is created inside the class but outside the method. This class is acting as a member of outer class. It means there are two classes, one is outer class and one is inner class, but the inner class will be outside the method, and the inner class is acting like outer member of outer class. For example, take a outer class name test, म्हणजे class test, which is outer class. Inside the class test, there are some instance variable, instance int x, string name, etc. There is also contain one method, void method one, one method, and again below of method one there is class sample, which is inner class. Now here inner class is the inner class sample is inside the outer class test, but it is like the member, the instance variable are member data members and method m1 is function member. Like that, the sample class, which is inner class, is also the member data member. So this is about the member inner class. Now, anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class, the class which has no name, it is called anonymous. Anonymous means the which has no name. The anonymous class is created for expanding class and implementing interface. It is created also for abstract classes. Now, what is abstract class? The class which includes defined method as well as declared method. It means the class which contains both defined as well as declared method. The class is known as abstract class. For example, the public abstract class test includes abstract void display bracket and then semicolon. Here The method display is declared type, not defined type, because we haven't given any definition to the display method. Now again, below of the abstract void display void method, and in the block of method system.out.println hi. Here the method is defined. Now the class contains both defined as well as declared method. The class is abstract class, and for abstract class expansion the anonymous inner class is used. Now we will go through the third one is local inner class, a class which is inside the class and also which is inside the method. A class which is inside the method is called as local inner class, and the visibility of this class, the visibility of local inner class is within that method. For example, within the method, if you take any variable int string, these are local variable. Same like that, within the method if you take any class, that will be local inner class. For example, if you take any public class test, which is outer class, and inside the public class there are some instance variable, int x is equal to 10, string name is equal to Akash, etc. And below that there is a method void method 1, and the block of method there is some against the some instance variable int num is equal to 10. These are local variables, and within that method there is also a class sample, and in class sample system.out.println hi. Now here we have to create the object of sample class, which is inside the method. We have to create that object inside the method. It means below the class sample there should be object creation must be happen. Sample object is equal to new sample bracket curse semicolon. We should have to create object within the class. Okay, this is all about the inner class and anonymous class and long and local inner class. Now this was about the non-static nested classes. About again the static nested class. The static nested classes means the class which has used a static variable. For example, if you take any public class states, inside the class there is again another class which is class sample. If we take static before class sample, then the class should be static nested class. It means if we take static keyword before the inner class, then the class will be static nested class. This is all about information about the inner class. Thank you.